Hey guys, welcome back to Not Enough Projects. Today we're going to be addressing the neglected plastic window on this 97 NA Miata. You basically can't use it, you can't see through it, especially at night with all the headlights behind you. So let's get to it. So before we can actually polish the plastic, we're going to need to clean it off. This window is pretty grimy. There's dust and dirt all over it, so I'm just going to use a degreaser. Dish soap works great. Now you can see this top is already damaged, the plastic is cracked, but it's going to be a little while before we replace it, so I figured we might as well try to see through it in the meantime. If you want to avoid cracking your expensive top, you're going to want to unzip your window every time you fold the top down. It's annoying, but over time the plastic gets brittle, and folding it down without unzipping it causes a lot of stress, and during the winter especially, that's when you'll find that your top will crack. So the actual procedure on lowering the top is that you should unlatch the top from the front window glass, and then while it's unlatched, you unzip the window, fold it down, and then you can fold the top all the way back. Now that we've got it degreased, we're gonna go ahead and dry it off. You can see even with just a simple degrease, the window's already looking quite a bit better, but to really get it clear again, we're gonna use some plastic polish. We're gonna use some Meguiar's Plastex, because that's what we got. I do have a little electric buffer, but we're gonna see what we can do by hand, and then maybe we'll switch over to it and see if it makes it a lot better. You can see just a little bit of elbow grease on this side. It's already cleared up significantly. A lot of this junk is on the inside, so we're gonna have to go inside and do the same process. I think I may try switching over to the electric buffer, just because I got it. We'll see if it does any better, but you can definitely go a long ways with just elbow grease. Alright, so this isn't really a true random orbit polisher, buffer, whatever you want to call it. It's a little bit dinkier than those, but it's more like a wax spreader, but it should get the job done. Alright, it's looking a lot better, but we've only done half of it. We need to get the inside done because it's probably just as bad. So we're going to go ahead and degrease it and do the same thing. Alright, it's a little bit of a tight fit, but we can get to everything we need to. You can see it's significantly clearer. I'm going to go ahead and just do a quick wax on it, see if that helps us out at all, and hopefully it'll protect it a little bit. Alright, we're going to go ahead and fix this hole in the top with a permanent fix. I don't even remember where the crack is. Perfect. Alright, you can see the window's a lot better than when we started out. It's not perfect still. There's still a lot of haze and some swirls, but you can see through it at least. I'm pretty happy with the results given that we started out with a window that was pretty messed up. If you guys have had better luck with other products or methods, let us know down below. I think that's about it for this time, so see you guys later.